Hello guys, um, as you can see I have this PLC. The factory owner told me it has a password and it is protected. Nobody can save the project, nobody can see the diagrams, anything, no comments, anything. It is all protected using a password. I worked hard for 2 to 3 days and I managed to get the password and opened the program. As you can see here, I am opening here the winproLadder program. As you can see, it is connected. To my PC. So I will open the PLC. Okay, and wait for the ladder program to be loaded. And you can see that the password is set and the protection is protect all. That means you cannot save, you cannot update, you cannot write, you cannot even delete the program, you cannot do anything. The PLC is FATEK FBE 40 MC, and you can see here we have a password. As I told you, I managed to get the password after working for 2 to 3 days, and now it is opened, and you can see you can save, you can do anything you want, and you can delete the password. You see, so it's saved. You can see everything. Okay, thank you guys for listening, and see you next time.